Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss last topic in this chapter, and this is very important for 5 marks. Definitely easily you can get your 5 marks in this. That means KMAP, corn of map. This is a graphical representation used to reduce a Boolean expression either in SOP or POS format. It may be in any of the format. You can reduce easily with a graphical representation with the Karnoff map. Karnoff is a mathematician person. He introduced one of the graphical representation, that is the tabular representation. Hence the name kept as KMAP. This KMAP is used to reduce the Boolean expression. See, we have been done in the earlier class reducing the Boolean expression using Boolean theorems and using De Morgan's theorem, and this is one way to reduce your expression with the Karnoff map, that is K-map, and it is very easiest one and it is the best way to reduce the expression. How you can reduce? Depending on the variables, the map is going to be vary. A map is going to be vary. If the variables are 2, you will get 4 cubes. If the variables are 3, you will get 8 cubes. If the variables are 4, you will get 16 cubes. Depending on that, you need to represent. You know that how many input possibilities you will get? 4 input possibilities for the 2 variables. Number of variables. If the variables are 3, then you will get 8 cubes. If the number of variables are 4, then you will get 16 cubes. 0 to 3 representation. This is 0 to 7 representation. This is 0 to 15 representation. That is your M0, M1, M2, M3. Either in the min-term form or max-term form. M0 to M7. M0 to M15 and your finger computer format only. First we'll write the diagram for 2 variables KMAP. How you can write the 2 variables map? How many cubes you should get? 4 cubes. 4 squares. Here, when we have 2 variables, it may be xy, it may be ab, it may be mn, it may be pq, any of the variable. First variable is for row wise. Second variable is for column wise. Then, this is your complement, this is your not complement. This is your complement, this is your no complement. That means this side x, this side y. Okay. Why it is complement? So, first I am writing 2 variable KMAP for SOP. In SOP, x is nothing but 1, x complement is nothing but 0. This is your M0. This is your M1 and the variables allotment is fixed. Please don't change according to yourself. M0, M1, M2, M3, it is fixed. See here, you will get x complement, y complement. The variable of row and the variable of column combination gives you cube term. What is a cube term? X complement Y complement is nothing but M naught. How it is M naught? 0, 0 is nothing but M naught. Then this is your first cube. What is the second cube? Second cube is M1. M1 is what? X complement and it is in the column Y. Column Y. 0, 1. Did you got your 1? Yes. Then M2. X, Y complement. X, Y complement will gives you M2. This is your 1. This is your 0. Okay. Then M3. M3 is nothing but X, Y. Row variable is X. Column variable is Y. This is your 2 variable KMAP for SOP. That is your min term format. How to write for max term? The same 2 variable map for 2 variable which map? KMAP or Karnaugh map is for POS. When you are writing for POS, what you need to remember? Yes, X is nothing but 0, X complement is nothing but 1. The same tabular structure with the 4 cubes. This side for, shall we take A, B now? A, this side is for B. Then what is this? A, B, B, A. Please tell me now complementation for which one? Either for the first row or for the second row. See here, we need to get M naught. How you will get M naught? X plus Y. This is which term? Product term. Each term is product term in SOP. Each term is plus term. It is your sum term. How we can write? Here the variable is AB. So here it is A and B. I should get A plus B for M naught. Then is it required for complement for this one? No. The column row of A, column of B. So this is not complement. Then I need M1. How I will get M1? 0, 1 I will get as M1. So 1 I should get means B should be complement. 0 means A is uncomplement. Then this is complement. Quite opposite to your SOP. Here complementation is there. Here no complement. If you have confusion, I will write for X only. So variable differentiation I am showing that sir. This you can write it for XY, XY complement. See, opposite of the complementation. Here both are complement with a product term. Here both are uncomplemented with a sum term. Then what you will get here? What you will get here? M1. The term is same. The term is same. Order of the terms are same. How you will get M1 here? X plus Y complement. Here X is a complement, here Y is a complement. Then what's about this? When it is a complement here, definitely you will get the complement for this side. We'll check whether you will get or not. M2 is nothing but 1, 0 you should get. 1 means X is complement plus Y is uncomplement. X is complement plus Y is uncomplement gives you M2. Then how I will get M3? 1 and 1. 1 and 1 means X also complement plus Y also complement. That gives you M3 X complement plus Y complement. This is your POS. POS. Did you got it? Then how we can reduce this one? we can reduce by mapping. By reduce your mapping. How we can do mapping? If it is a cube with 4 cubes with a 2 variable, according to SOP, if the variable present means we need to represent 1, POS we need to represent 0. I'll write one expression, xy complement plus xy. This is my expression. I need to reduce it with the SOP format. We'll see similarly x plus y complement plus x plus y. Sorry, this is product. We'll check whether you will get same expression or not. Here it is a x, here it is a y. X is complement, x is uncomplement. Y is complement, y is uncomplement. M0, M1, M2, M3. How we can write this one according to the question? Sigma of f of xy, sigma of xy bar means 2, xy means 3. That means 2 and 3 is present. 2 and 3 is present. These two are present means it is 1, 1. 1, 1. In SOP, the term is present means it is 1 and 1. 1 and 1. How we can reduce this one? We can do the pair. Group we can do. Here, maximum group gives you less reduced variables. Maximum group gives you less reduced variable. Here it is possible to group either with a pair or with a single or with all 4. I'll explain you how. Here have we did one pair for adjacent cells. Adjacent. A value should be here or here, but not opposite grouping is not possible. Diagonally is not possible. Suppose if the diagonally was there, then it is not able to simplify. You will get 2 single terms. If it is there adjacent, either this side or this side or this side. Suppose all are present, quad. 1, 2, 3, 4, quad. If it is present like this, then diagonally cannot be done. Suppose if it is present like this, diagonally cannot be done. Suppose these two are present, you can do the group like this. Suppose if the variable present here, we can do the group like this. If the variable is present here and here, we can do the group. Here and here, 2 pairs I can do. 2 pairs I can do. Even though it is a single, adjacent value is there. Hence I am including M2 for M0 as well as M3. M0 as well as M3. Suppose M1 also present, then no need to do the pairs. Directly maximum group 4. Maximum group 4. Like this, we can do the grouping to reduce the variables. See, this is just for your practice purpose, 2 and 3 variables. But very important for the 5 marks is your 4 variable mappings. 4 variable mappings. Every day, 1 problem explanation or 2 problems explanation. 1 will be there for your practice. Keep practice. Practice gives you complete marks. Hope you understood, I think so. Now, how we can do the pair? Either with these 2 cells or these 2 cells or these 2 cells. If all are present, go for the maximum grouping quad. Opposite sides, that is your diagonal sides, the values are present. Then we cannot do the grouping. Diagonally pair cannot be done. Either you can do horizontally or vertically, not with diagonals. Not with diagonals. If all the cubes are present, then we can take quad. If only 2 cubes are present, then we can do pairing. So this is your x complement x, y complement y. What are the things we present here? M0 not present, M1 not there, M2 is present, M3 is present. So I can do the group of these two. That means I got only one pair. I got only one pair. How I can reduce? Copy down the term of M2. How I can get M2? M2 is a combination of x and y bar plus M3 is a combination of x and y. Write down one term below the another term. What is a common? X is a common. Y bar, y gets eliminated. This will gives you the reduced variable x. Hope you understood. X, y bar, x, y. Y bar gets cancelled. What is a common variable we got? X. Among these two, we can reduce the expression into a single variable x. Suppose this also present. This also present. Then this will become pair 1. This will become pair 2. This will become pair 2. How I can reduce pair 2 now? Write down the terms how we have been paired. M0 with M2 plus M2. Why plus? SOP, hence it is a plus. What is a M0 term? X complement, Y complement. X complement, Y complement. X complement, Y complement. You should know this one perfectly. Then only it is possible to write. In the exam, first write this table above this, leave one line and start writing the solution for mapping. Then what is the M2? X and Y bar. X and Y bar. Write down below x bar, y bar, x, y bar. What is a common variable among these two? Y bar is a common. X bar gets cancelled. What you will get? Pair 2 gives you y bar. Pair 2 gives you y bar. That is one way. Another way, here itself you can reduce. See here, x bar gets cancelled. Directly you can write y in front of this. Here itself you can write x. You no need to write the terms also. But reduced variable should be correct. If you don't know, then copy the terms and eliminate the complemented and uncomplemented, which is the one is a common. Write down, that is your reduced format. That means reduced format of f of xy equal to x is one term plus y bar is another term, that is pair 1 plus pair 2. This is your result. For this expression, what we will get? The result is this one. That means x complement y complement plus x complement x y complement plus x y. This is your complete canonical will reduce to x plus y bar. X plus y bar. This is your two variable expression problems on SOP. Problems on SOP. In the classwork I have been solved one or two problems. You just go through. This is for your reference purpose, because this you will not get for the exam. Because you should know that how we can do pair, why we should not do diagonal, how we can do the quad. Quad means adjacent cells all should be present. either in the horizontal wise or in the vertical wise, but not in the diagonal wise. That concept you need to know. Okay. Then we'll write for POS. This POS problems, it was not there in the classwork. So once you understood the SOP, then you no need to go through for the POS with the two variables map. So once you understood how you should do the groupings by practicing, then this concept is not necessary. Then two variable map, I have been given x complement y means pi of m1 comma m0. F of x comma y equal to m1 and m0, that means m0 m1. Otherwise, how you will get pi of 0 comma 1. Otherwise, m0 into m1. Two types it is possible. Either with the pi directly you can identify, either with the max term with the product will gives you POS. This is one of the identification I told you. Do you remember? Identification is very, very important. Identification itself gives you 1 mark. For 4 variable, not for the 2 variable. Yes. What are the things present here? Yes, here it is a x, here it is a complement, here it is a y, here it is a y complement. X complement, y complement. Order of the term will not change. M0, M1, M2, M3. What are the things present? Present means 0. 0, 0. That means these two are present. These two are not present in POS. The term present represents 0. In SOP, the term present 1. If you written while writing the exam instead of 1, 0 or instead of 0, 1, definitely you are going to lose complete marks. Identify the question. It belongs to SOP. How? If it is a sigma, then it is a SOP. If the word directly given SOP, then it is a SOP. Otherwise, a term between, M0 plus M2 plus M1, that means a plus symbol was there, then it is a SOP. If the symbol sigma, pi represents POS, the word POS, otherwise between product gives you identification of the problem for POS. Then these two are present, directly we can do the pair with the two adjacent cells. Then what are the things present? M0 into M1, both are present. How I can write M0 x plus y into x plus y complement. Directly you just tell me which is a common variable here. X. Okay. Suppose if the variable present this one, you have even 2. Then this is also present. I cannot do diagonally. So I should do with the M0 only. So this will gives you, that is a first pair gives you X. Second pair I am doing now. That is M0 into M2. Then what is the M0? X plus y into x complement plus y. What is a common variable among these two? Y. Otherwise, write down like this. What you get removed? Yes, you got y. Y is a, while combining pair 1 into pair 2. This is important. Agle bardaga, this is pair 1 plus pair 2. Here it is into. How you will write? F of xy equal to P1. What is the P1 you got? X. What is there? Dot y. Suppose 3 also present. Instead of doing a... See, 1 second, listen here. So peoples will go for like this, otherwise like this. Both not possible. Both not possible. Instead of going like this, go for entire all adjacent, all 4 gives you output 0. Output 0. How? X complement get cancelled, y complement get cancelled. What is remains? 0 remains. Suppose here x complement get cancelled, y complement get cancelled, output 1 remains for the quad. Not a variable. It is not reduced to variable. It is reduced to your tautology output 1. Falsy output 0. This is a discussion about your 2 variable map. 2 variable map. We'll go for 3 variable map now. 3 variable, just I'll write the variable map. I'm not going to write the problems on that because we'll have a discussion in the next class. Only problems. Today I'll write different variables, 3 variable map for both SOP and POS. SOP and POS. Okay. When we have a 3 variables, how many cubes we should get? 8. Variables may be x, y, z, a, b, c, p, q, r. Any kind of variable is possible. In the 3 variable map, it's very important. X is for row and these 2 is for column. Similarly, this is for row and these 2 for column. P is for row, Q and R is for column. Why? Because a table contains 2 columns, 2 rows, 2 rows with 4 columns. A structure of the table designed like this. If I take x, y, z, x is for this side, y, z is for this side. First we'll write 3 variable KMAP for SOP. 3 variable KMAP for SOP. Then I'll write here for POS. Okay. Here in the earlier, do you remember? Here it is a x complement x. Yes, here also x complement x because this is m naught. M naught. Mean term m naught is nothing but 3 zeros. X is 1, x complement is 0. That means x we got as a complement. Then what's about y and z? Yes, both are complement. Then this is y complement, z complement. How I can write the term? A term is x complement, y complement, z complement. X complement, y complement, z complement. Gives you m naught. Gives you m naught. Okay na? Did you understood? Remember your 4-to-1 format. How I can write M1? M1 is nothing but 0, 0, 1. That means X is complement, Y is complement, Z is uncomplement. Then this column heading contains Y complement Z. Gives you M1. And this is not M2. This is not M2. A tabular structure is designed with this is M2. Please remember, order should not change. Order should not change. 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is 3. Please remember. Half of the 4 variable map we are doing now. Another half we need to do. Okay. M2. How I'll get M2? How I'll get M2? M2 will be get with a 0, 1, 0. That means X is complement, Y is uncomplement, Z is complement. That means X is complement, yes, it's already there. Y is uncomplemented, Z is complement, here Z is complement. Are you getting? Then we'll move for the M3. M3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. X is complement. Yes, already it was there. X is complement. Then Y and Z both are uncomplement. Y is uncomplement. Z is uncomplement. Then for this column, Y complement, Z complement is common. For this entire row, X is common. For this, Y, Z complement is common. Y, Z is common. Y complement, Z is common. Then we'll identify what is the number structure we will get here. First we'll write for X, Y, Z. According to your complementation, all are ones. 4 plus 2 plus 1. What is that? 7. Then this is your 7. Then what is this? 1, 1, 0. 4 plus 2. Yes, it is 6. Here it is 1, 0, 1. What you will get? 4 plus 1. M5. Then what is this? The remaining one, M4 and also 100. Hope you understood. So, this structure is same for 4 variable SOP. This we need to write for 2 variable. Here it is a single variable now. Another 2 rows we are going to get. That time this will also a group of 2 variable. This is also a group of 2 variable. So shall we write the POS only the terms. Only the terms. This terms. M0. This term will not be changed. M1. Here it is. M2. No. M3. Here it is. M2. Here it is. M4. M5. Here it is. M6. No. M7. This is M6. Terms will not change. Then, as I told in the earlier, for POS, this is uncomplemented. This is a complement, right? Yes, here also you will get the same thing. X complement. Then what's about Y and Z? Y and Z is a product term here. Here it is that is a sum term. Y plus Z, Y plus Z, Y plus Z. Now what's about the complementation? Opposite of this. Here both are complement, right? Here no complement. Here Y is a complement. Here Y uncomplement. Z you will get complement. Here both are uncomplement. Here you will get both are complement. Here Z is a complement. Z is the uncomplement, Y you will get complement. This is one way to remember. Otherwise, I need M3. How I'll get M3? X plus Y complement plus Z complement. M3 is nothing but 0, 1, 1, right? In POS, X is 1, X complement is 0, right? Sorry, X is 0, X complement is 1, right? Can I write it here, the term, without seeing here? Then I should get this one as X, this one as complement, this one as complement. Each term is some term. Please check. Did you got it? Yes. Then how I'll get M7? M7 is nothing but all are 1, 1, right? 1, 1 means all are complement. All are complement and with a plus term. See here, X is a complement, Y is a complement, Z is also complement. Did you got it? How I will get M2? M2 is nothing but 0, 1, 0. 0. 0 means uncomplemented. X plus 1 means Y is complemented. Did you got it here? Yes. Like this we need to fill. How to fill? A combination of X is common here plus Y plus Z is common plus Y plus Z is common for the entire column and row complement. X complement is common, Y plus Z is common for that particular row. E column ge label. E column ge ellanu onde label. This is row column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Column 1 ge, column 2 ge ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಲೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಲೇಬಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ? ರೋ ಲೇಬಲ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಲೇಬಲ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ Y plus Z complement. Plus Y plus Z complement. Similarly, X complement is common. Here, Y complement plus Z. You just identify none of the term is repeated. And this is your 3 variable max term representation only. Table al kottidini nodi 3 variables truth table anta. Ade idu. Adanna allotment madiro method bere ide. Henge allot madidivi? This is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. You should by heart. 0, 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 2 ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. You know that 0, 1 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. But while writing 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. One paper they have been given. Give the KMAP representation for 3 variable f of x, y, z. So I have written for x, y, z. Today you have to practice for these two. Practice is required. So ನಾನೀಗ just groups ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವೆರಡು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪೇರ್. ಇವೆರಡು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದು ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್, ಇದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬಂತು, ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಇದನ್ನ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ? ನೋಡಿ, 1, 1, 1, 1 4 ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಪೇರ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಒಂದಿದೆಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಉಳ್ಸೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋದಾ? ನೋ, ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದಾವೆ, ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ? ನೋಡಿ, ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಇವೆರಡು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಶೀಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಶೀಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಅದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ 1 1 1 1 ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 4 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದರಿಂದ SOP ಆರಿಂದ POS ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. SOP ಆದ್ರೆ 1 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, POS ಆದ್ರೆ 0 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. 1 1 1 1. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿದ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟು, ಇದಕ್ಕಿದ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟು, ಇದಕ್ಕಿದ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬರೀ ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೇರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಒಂದು ಪೇರ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇವಿಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನ ಅವಾಗ ಇದು Q1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ 1, ಇದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ 2, ಇದು ಪೇರ್. ಒಂದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬರೀ ಪೇರ್, ಎರಡಿದ್ದಾಗ ಪೇರ್ 1 ಪೇರ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಎಸ್, ಇದನ್ನ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಕ್ವಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ, ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು single variable, pair gives you 2 variable, octa gives you output 1 or 0. ಇದಾದ್ರೆ 1, ಇದಾದ್ರೆ 0. single gives you 3 variables. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 1 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮಗೇನ್ ಬೇಕು? Go for a maximum grouping with a less number of variables. ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ 5 marks ಇನ್ ದ 4 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್. 4 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪೇರು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ಗೂ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. 8 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಒಂದೇ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ SOP ಆದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, POS ಆದ್ರೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್, ಹೌದು, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ 4 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ 8 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ is going to vary. It's going to be vary. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 4 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೆಕ್ಸಾ, ಅದು 1 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ 2 ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? 4 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇದು 2 ಇಲ್ಲೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಕ್ಟಾ 1 ಗೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ 2 ಗೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪೇರ್ 3 ಗೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಕ್ಸಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 SOP, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0 POS. ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That will discuss in the next class, students. Hope you understood. You are writing the SOP with the 3 variable map and POS with the 3 variable map. So today's assignment, you just practice for 2 variable for any 2 different variables and 2 different variables for practice for SOP 1 table and POS 1 table on tabular format. Okay, thank you. We'll discuss this one in the next class. Thank you, students.